Now, in the last video, you saw how the 100K challenge works. Now, let's talk about how that single conversation becomes a full business coaching practice. It's pretty cool. Here's the process. So, you invite a business owner to the 100K challenge, which is that structured assessment where you help them uncover hidden profits, often 100 grand, 200 grand, 300 grand already sitting inside their business. It's not salesy, it's a high value conversation, one that helps them clearly see where the growth is being left on the table. At the very end, the system will automatically generate a 17-page growth map outlining everything you uncovered together. Then you ask one simple question. Would you like my help implementing these strategies in your business? That's the invitation. And for business owners who just watched you map out 6 figures or more in hidden profit, the answer, usually yes. Now, from there, you're going to support them monthly, helping them to execute, to stay accountable, and to build real momentum using our complete business coaching framework where you will coach them one strategy at a time and one step at a time, where all the materials, they're all ready to go. You just follow them. That's it. Now, veterans, they're wired. You're wired for this exact moment, a clear mission, a proven process, measurable outcomes. And the best part, you don't have to build any of this on your own. The software, tools, training, and the system, they're all inside the Profit Acceleration operating system. All you got to do, focus on the relationships. That's the important part. Now, in the next video, we're going to show you exactly how you can get started. See you there.